Hey guys, in this video we'll explain to you how we track time worked during the week and the day. So it's called Clockify, this app. You just need to Google clockify.me, and once you land on the main page you will see this. If you're already signed in, you just need to scroll all the way down and log in from here. If you still don't have a profile, I suggest using the work email to sign in with Gmail, so that will be easier and connected with that. What you need to do, you just need to find a name for what you're working on. In this case, as an example, I would use just emails, and then you click on start. You need to just start working as soon as this starts working and counting the time that you spend on emails. So you forget about it until you change activity. Once you need to change activity or take a break, you just click on stop, and then this will record and come up here and sum up with the other activities you worked on for the day. At the end of the day, you will see the amount of hours, or in this case minutes, worked, and we require you to take a screenshot of this so that we can see what you worked on for how long and what's the total amount of the day. Once you do that, it will be great at the end of the week if you could also include the week total. So let's say on Fridays, if you don't work in the weekends, or on Sunday, then you can also take a screenshot from here, and then we would see the overall day amount of hours worked and the weekly total. I think that's all you need to know. You can just figure out yourself what's the best way to use it, because then of course you can also click on this and connect it to a project, a specific name, etc. While here you can specify what exactly you did. You can also start using labels so that they will help you find, for example, every day how many times you worked on that thing, or every week if it's the fifth time you worked on a specific project, and then you can add tags, etc. I think you can just differentiate it as you prefer and use it as you prefer. If you click on here, if there are small numbers like this, you can see that you've worked on the same activity 4 times, so that will tell you for how long and at what time exactly. If you forget to insert something, or you don't have your laptop with you and you're just working from your phone, for example, you can also insert activities afterwards. So what you need to do, you just need to, for example, write was writing a blog post, for example. Then you just let it go for like a few seconds. You stop it, and then in here you can change time, so with AM, PM, and even date. So that will help you organize this. In here, you can duplicate or delete it in case it's a mistake or an example, like in this case. And I think that's all you need to know. You, of course, can also see reports, like a general summary or even a weekly summary, so that you will see, you can use filters. Yeah, you will see in details how many hours you worked, and then yeah, that's mostly what you need to know, but of course you can also figure this out yourself and use it in the best way as you prefer. Thank you for watching.